Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on US Highway 49, beginning just north of Fair Oaks in Cross County, Arkansas. We begin with a jog across the Union Pacific Railroad tracks via US Highway 64. Darkness is quickly descending upon US 49 and we still have about 40 miles of video left for this day of filming, so we're going to run this one a little bit faster than normal, slowing down for the towns we pass through. Hopefully the quality of the video isn't too bad, but with the lack of light, the camera's shutter speed slows down a bit and causes some blur and loss of detail. We cross Arkansas State Highway 364 in the unincorporated community of Tilton. We enter the city of Hickory Ridge, which has an estimated population of 258 as of 2016. We enter Poinsett County, which has a population of 24,023. Poinsett County was formed on February 28, 1838, and named for Joel Roberts Poinsett, U.S. Secretary of War. County business was initially conducted in the county judge's home until first court was held in Bolivar upon completion of a courthouse in 1839. Originally, the county was much larger and included the area that is now Cross County to the south and Craighead County to the north. The current county seat is Harrisburg. We reach the city of Fisher, which has a population of 218. Fisher is included in the Jonesboro, Arkansas Metropolitan Statistical Area. We cross the corner of the town of Waldenburg, which has an estimated population of 59. We enter the city of Weiner, which has a population of 686. Weiner is known for its annual rice festival. We enter Craighead County, which has two county seats, Jonesboro and Lake City. The county was named for State Senator Thomas Craighead and is one of several dry counties in Arkansas in which the sale of alcoholic beverages is largely prohibited. We end our video here as we approach the city limits of Jonesboro. In our next video, we'll be back in bright sunlight as this was the end of our filming for November 23rd. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.